Kitty Kurlz is marketed as a spiral-shaped, foldable cat toy designed to keep pets entertained. But here's the catch. The official website kitty-kurlz.com is currently inaccessible with the return of a 403 forbidden error, which is a major red flag. A legitimate brand site should be consistently available and transparent. So the toy itself is a generic dropshipping item. Identical versions are widely sold on Amazon, Walmart, and AliExpress at much lower prices. The marketing around Kitty Curls often exaggerates uniqueness, but in reality, it's just a rebranded cardboard scratcher with a markup. So the bottom line is that kittykurlz.com is not a reliable source. While you may receive a product if purchased through marketplaces, the official site being blocked suggests poor credibility. If you want durable and safe cat toys, stick to established pet brands instead of paying extra for the branded imports.